Welcome guys to BECE Made It Easy channel once again. The only channel that exam fears, because we make things easy for students to pass and come out with flying colors. Today we are going to continue with our past question, and they've just ended BECE. So the question 1 is available on my channel. Let's go straight to question 2. Question 2 says evaluate 4,000 times 0.35 all over 0.05. This is a standard form question, and to solve standard form question, we change all the numbers to whole numbers. We change it to whole numbers. So the 4,000, we are going to change this one to a whole number, then in standard form. This one to whole number in standard form. Whole number in standard form. So the 4,000 here will give us 4 times 10. So we move how many times here? We've written the 4. So with the 4 like this, 1, 2, 3. So the power is going to be positive 3 times this one to the whole number. We have to move 2 times to the right. This one we move to the left. That's why here was positive. Here we move to the right. So this one will be 35 times 10 power negative 2 all over. Then you come here. This one to give us 5 times 10. You move to the right, negative 2. So this is how we do it. Now, we are going to check if any of the denominators can cancel or can divide any of the whole numbers. So when we look at it, we have common times 10 power negative 2 times 10 power negative 2. So this can cross out this. Now, 5, 2 can divide itself 1. We can divide 35 7 times. So this one all has been cancelled out. So what do we have? We have 4 times 10 power 3 times 7. So we group the whole numbers. So it will be 4 times 7 times 10 power 3 here. Now 4 times 7 is 28. Now we have times 10 power 3. Now standard form is a whole number. Point the rest of the numbers times 10 raised to the power, the number of times you move. Now, this is 28, it's not in standard form. So, changing only this 28 to standard form, you move to the left side. So, it is going to be 2.8 times 10 power 1. Then you add the old times 10 power 3 that we used to have. Now, in indices, the law of indices says that when the bases of the numbers are the same and they are multiplying, you add the powers. So, this one is going to be 2.8 times 10 power 1 plus 3. So the final answer will be 2.8 times 10 power 4. So this is how this question is being solved. So let's quickly move to the question 2. Now, question 2b. As it has been posted on the screen, Mr. Abuachi gets 10% commission on P type house he sells and 15% on type Q house he sells. So he sells 3 types of P house at 700 Ghana cedis each, 700,000 Ghana cedis each. Then 4 types of Q at 1,400,000 each. Calculate the total commission you need. To get the total commission, you have to understand that commission, we calculate commission on sales, and the percentage given to us is 10%. The houses, he sells 3, and each one is costing 700,000. So you have to know the total sales before you calculate the commission on the house. So now, to know the total sales, you multiply 700,000 by 3. So this simple multiplication, so zeros. Then we have the 7, 3, 21 here. So now what do we have here? We have 2,100,000 as the total sales. So all the house, the total sales on the P house is 2,100,000. So we have to find the commission. The commission is 10%. So which is 10 on 100. So 2,100,000. So these 2 zeros here can take out the 2 zeros here. Now we have the 10 times 2, 1, 0, 0, 0. So 3 zeros are left, so we have to multiply 2, 1, 0, 0, 0 by 10 to know our commission. 0 times any number is 0. So time here is 0, time here is 0, then time here 2 is 0. So here will give us 0, 0, 0. Here will give us 1, here will give us 2. Now we have 0, 0. We are adding here. So 0, 0, 0, 0. Then here is 1, here is 2. Now, this is 210,000 Ghana cedis. So on the P house, this will be the commission. Now we are moving on to the Q house. The Q house, it is 15%. He will make, and he sold 4 of the houses at 1,400,000. So we have to find his total sales on the Q house as well. So total sales here will also be 4 times 1,400,000. So 1,400,000 times 4. So 4 times 0, 0, 4 times 0, 0, 4 times 0. This one will give us 0, 0, 4, 4 is 60. 6 remainder 1, 4, 1, 4 plus 1, 5. So this is the total sales. The total sales. And now, this is the total sales. So the commission is 15%. So we have to find 15% on this to also know the commission on the Q house. So 15%, 15 on 100 times 5, 6, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. So these 2 zeros can also take out these 2 zeros. Now we have 15 times 5, 6, 0, 0, 0, which is 56,000. Now we are going to multiply this one too. So 56,000 by 15. So 0, 0, 0, 5, 6 will give us 30. 0 remainder 3. 5, 5 is 25 plus 3, 28. So 1 times 0 is 0, 1 times 0 is 0, 1 times 0, 0, 1 times 6 is 6, then 1 times 5 giving us 5. So 0, 0, 0, 0, 6 plus 8 to give us 14. 4 remainder 1. 1 plus 3, 1 plus 2 is 3, plus 5 is 8. So 840,000. The commission on Q is 840,000, and that on P is 210,000. So the total commission is going to be 840,000 plus 210,000. So in adding this 0, 0, 0, 0, 5, 0, 1. So we are going to get 1,050,000 as the total commission. Yes. So his total commission is going to be 1,050,000. So the P type house and the Q type house, this will be Mr. Abuachi's total commission. So this brings us to the end of today's session. This is the end of question 2 that students were asked to answer for 50 marks. The standard form, we've done it, and the commission, we have done it. So this brings us to the end of today's session. Don't forget to subscribe to Seyon BECE Made It Easy channel. Recommend to all students to have a benefit of it. To meet again, we say bye-bye.